Pakistan, parliamentarians, government officials. Assalamu alaikum. It's really a great pleasure to be here in this wonderful galaxy of leading lights from digital world, who in their own right have really created miracles. And when you look back in your own personal career, as I would, for the last 4 decades in politics, I've observed sea change from what we did 15, 20 years ago and where the world stands in terms of complete transformation. I remember the days in Punjab we would honor high achievers by offering them laptops in very large numbers. Almost 400,000 laptops were distributed purely on merit in Danish schools, smart boards, and our rural economy, agriculturists, they were all digitized through a World Bank program, Punjab Land Record Company. Well, I am so pleased to read that we have 11 ministers and deputy ministers of IT and economy from our friendly countries around the globe. Thank you very much, and a big hand to all of you. So, ladies and gentlemen, what I'm saying is that today we are at the cusp of a complete transformation. And Pakistan offers wonderful opportunities in this behalf. We have a very youthful population in the bracket of 15 to 30 years, constitute about 60% of our total population. And they are very energetic. They are doing a great job in Pakistan and abroad in Middle East, North America, Far East, and other places of the world. And as we have just heard, in the month of March, our total remittances from abroad touched $4.1 billion, which is a record in Pakistan's history. And I think today is the day, seeing your great brimming faces, shining faces, I am very confident that with your guidance, your cooperation, we will be able to achieve our position in the Community of Nations, the field of IT and AI. We have already planned a massive, large-scale program, not only at the federal level, but in all the 4 provinces of Pakistan, from Punjab to Sindh and other provinces of Balochistan and KP, where IT parks are being built, incubation centers, research and development, and training, skills training. We, as I speak, are entering into a program with one of the wonderful companies around the globe, which built Pakistan's first safe city in Lahore, and it is still the biggest in the subcontinent in Lahore, which was built by Huawei. We are entering with them a wonderful program to offer skill training to 200,000 boys and girls in Pakistan annually. And then we are inviting all of you, companies from North America, from Europe, and other parts of the world, to please come forward and give us support, hold our hand, how to improve our agriculture through modern technologies, how to enhance our exports through injecting wonderful formulas you have created in IT and AI, how to promote our industry, how to promote our productive employment in Pakistan. All this is a wonderful menu for us to really not only discuss but to implement. I think this is what I wanted to say in this forum, and I am absolutely encouraged by commitments announced today by a gentleman who is bringing in $500 million. Would you want to stand up, please? A big hand to him, along with Russian partners. And then our Pakistani physician convert businesswoman who's investing millions of dollars, Mashriq Bank, and other investors, $14 million, $20 million, $30 million, $500 million, all put together $700 million. This is a great announcement by our great entrepreneurs. And I'm now convinced that I'm playing host to you this evening over dinner. I think that dinner would be very well earned by all of us, in fact. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to once again thank you for visiting Pakistan and Dima Al Yahya, a leading light in the field of